Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Happy Navratri, and today we are going to see Navratri themed worksheets. As always, I'll be tagging the link to this printable in the description box below. So do check to it and don't forget to tweak the activities as per your child's interest and level. And if you're watching our channel for the first time, I'll be tagging to our other worksheet videos as well in the description box below. So check it out, and if you really like it, then take a moment to subscribe and share in your love and support. So come, let's get started. So this is our first activity, and here we need to match the Garba steps. So here I have picked some random Garba steps. He needs to find the correct one from this side and match it. Okay?
Okay.
Start. This is one fun activity, whereas when the kid is matching, you can also talk about the Garba steps or Dandiya or something related to that, so that in a fun way, they'll get to know all about Dashera or Navratri. So this is our next activity, and again it's a matching activity too, where the kids needs to check the Ma Durga image on the left and match it to the correct one on the right. And only difference is they just need to draw dotted lines to connect the correct images. Okay?
Okay.
Here we are doing with dotted lines just to have a practice. In case if you don't want it, then you can ask the kid to draw a straight line as well. In case if you wanted to introduce this activity as a pre-writing one, then even you can include looped lines or spiral lines or zigzag lines, whichever the kid is comfortable with. And here, while working on this activity too, you can talk about Ma Durga, her 10 arms and her power, and she is the recreation of goddess Parvati, all those things, so that the kid will be working at the same time he or she will be listening to the story of Ma Durga too. So our next activity is Durgas Weapons of War. So here I have given a simple introduction on what are the weapons that has been given to goddess Durga by the Trinity and other gods as well. So here it's again a matching activity. On the left I have given the weapons, and on the right the gods. I have not covered all the 10 weapons, whereas I have included only 6, and the kid needs to read the or identify the weapon name and then match it to the god. For that, this sheet will help. So the kid can read this, or you can help the kid and explain them on what are the weapons that has been offered to goddess Durga, and then you can start with this activity.
Trishul.
Trishul is offered by
Shiva.
And what is this?
Chakra.
So
Chakra. God Vishnu. Kamandala.
Kamandala is offered by
Brahma.
Brahma doesn't use any weapons, so he gave his Kamandala to goddess Durga. Okay?
Okay. Then bow and arrow. God Vayu. Hanuman's father.
Yes. Vayu is wind god. Okay? Yeah.
Then conch. Varuna.
Yeah. Varuna's vehicle is?
Crocodile.
Yes.
Sword. Yaman.
So this is a simple math activity where the kid just need to compare A with B and find out whether A is greater than or less than B. Yeah, start.
A is less than B.
So our next activity is again on math, and it's a measurement activity. So here I have given few Navratri based objects like Trishul and Dandiya sticks, sword and conch. So what the kid needs to do is they just need to count the cubes to find the length of the Trishul and write the number right here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. You need to rightly match the starting portion and then start counting. So it is
14 cubes long.
So next is a simple coloring activity. So or I can also say it as a math activity where the kid needs to identify the shape. Like for example, here it is diamond. So the kid needs to find where is diamond and then the color has to be purple. So diamonds should be colored with purple. So it's more like a coloring as well a math activity too. So are you ready to start?
Yes.
Yeah. So our next activity is Navratri word search, and here I have given few set of words based on the Navratri theme like Vijayadashmi, Saraswati Puja, Ayudha Puja, etc. And the kid just need to find the word here and circle it. It could be a standing as well as sleeping too. It could be either like this or a sleeping, horizontal or vertical.
Can it be crossed?
Maybe you just need to find it out. Are you ready to start?
Okay.
So, can you first read this?
Vijayadashami.
Yeah, Vijayadashami is the 10th day of Navratri.
Yeah. The last day.
Yes. And it's also called as Dashara.
Yeah. Vijayadashami.
Again, while doing this activity, you can talk about the festival. Like for example, Vijayadashami means like in South India, we used to start new things on that day, like starting a music class or something like that. So you can tell the kids all those things, and again about Saraswati Puja and what is Sundal, like because during these festivals, like we offer Sundal to all the friends and relatives, and we make all the 9 days different varieties of Sundals. So we can as well talk about that, so that in a fun way, again as I said before, they'll be getting to know about the Navratri festival. So this is our last activity where the kid just need to decorate their own Golu steps. So this is the Golu step and here are some images. So he just need to cut and paste it wherever he wants. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. To make it kids friendly, I have used these kind of images, but in case if you want, maybe you can just replace the images with other gods images too, to tell them that like what all the Golu dolls that we used to keep on the stands. So we are done with our Navratri themed worksheets, and this is our DIY Golu. And I hope you all love these worksheets. Don't forget to check for the worksheets in the description box below. And if you really like these worksheets, then click on the like button and share in your review and support by subscribing to our channel. See you all in our next upload. Stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.
Bye bye.